What I like most about my work is the ability to shape people's environments for the better. I think something I really enjoyed at uni was all the different methods you can use to express your work in design. So I loved model making. I loved the use of testing different materials and testing different ideas through different mediums. It was never, I would say, an easy process, but it was a process of trial and error that I learned so much from, and I would recommend any student to try and step outside of their comfort zone and in process just really embrace the idea of testing things. I think that's what design should be. It's about problem solving and it's about testing ideas. I think my favourite memory from university would be when I had the privilege of travelling to Venice with some members of the faculty and other students for the Architecture Biennale, which I was able to then produce my final thesis. Like all travel, it opened my eyes to the potential of how you can view a city and how you can interpret a city through the process of critical thinking and design. My experience at the university helped shape my career in the manner that it helped me develop a way of thinking, and it helped me develop a work ethic to be prepared going into the workforce. I think it was an experience that enabled me to understand the process of trial and error and the process of being aware also how much I have to learn in practice after graduating as well. I think like everyone, you graduate and you're excited about the future, but also a little bit unsure, and Bates Smart was a very welcoming place for me, and I really enjoyed working there. I think it's always great when you have senior staff that are so enthusiastic and encouraging, and it's been nice to also contribute to a practice that has been such a long part of Melbourne's history as well as a Melburnian. So it's quite rewarding and it's quite nice to work at. I think this time has changed everyone's lives, and I'm not sure we'll ever, as a society, be the same ever again. It's amazing how much we can do online. I've just never really stopped to consider the process or the thought that I could technically not leave my house and do my job. But I think the nature of the work is still the same, and that's great. It's good to see that really in many ways not much has changed, which is comforting, I think. Well, I think academia and practice go hand in hand, and it's something that I'm very interested in having a dual relationship with throughout my career. I think it's important as well to bestow on other students experiences that you've had as a student through that faculty and through that degree. And I think it's a really good way to complement practice and also give back to the process of learning and the process of design, I think.